Plex Building Systems is an innovative construction technology focused on creating sustainable and modular building solutions. The system utilizes prefabricated building blocks made from eco-friendly, recycled materials that are designed to interlock, allowing for quick and efficient assembly. This approach eliminates the need for traditional construction materials like cement and reduces overall construction waste. The modularity of the system means it can be adapted for various building sizes and uses, from homes to commercial structures. Additionally, Plex offers flexibility in design, as the blocks can be rearranged or expanded based on changing needs. The company emphasizes eco-consciousness, durability, and affordability, aiming to revolutionize the construction industry by reducing environmental impact while maintaining high performance and aesthetic appeal. Overall, Plex Building Systems promises to deliver sustainable, cost-effective, and flexible construction options for the modern world, meeting the demands of both residential and commercial applications. Mapeflex MS45 is a high-performance, one-component hybrid sealant and adhesive designed for a wide range of sealing and bonding applications. This product offers outstanding flexibility and adhesion to various substrates, including concrete, metals, wood, glass, and plastics. Mapeflex MS45 is weather-resistant, UV-stable, and provides excellent elasticity, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It is also free of solvents, isocyanates, and silicone, making it environmentally friendly and safe to use in sensitive areas. Key features include its fast-curing nature, which allows it to form a durable and long-lasting seal quickly, even on damp surfaces. It's also paintable and resistant to mold and mildew. Introducing the Tie-Down Transporter 60040 TP250, a high-performance 28-foot shingle lift and hoist designed for the construction industry. Engineered for heavy-duty tasks, this model is powered by a 4-horsepower Lifan gas engine, offering reliable and efficient operation. The robust design ensures smooth transportation of roofing materials like shingles, tiles, and plywood to elevated job sites with ease. With its 28-foot reach, this lift is perfect for multi-story buildings, providing up to 250 pounds of lifting capacity per load. Its durable, galvanized steel track guarantees long-term performance, while the platform carriage glides effortlessly, reducing wear and tear. This makes it not only powerful but also highly dependable for demanding tasks. The Lifan gas engine is both fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly, ensuring you get the most out of every drop of fuel. Easy to operate and maintain, it comes with simple controls that enhance user experience. It also features safety mechanisms, such as anti-reverse brake systems, to ensure that materials are securely lifted, providing peace of mind on the job site. Experience the power and reliability of this shingle lift and hoist today. Han Plastics is a global leader in sustainable solutions, specializing in the production of high-quality, recycled plastic products. With over 2 decades of experience, Han transforms plastic waste into durable, environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional materials like wood, concrete, and steel. Their extensive product range includes everything from garden furniture and landscaping items to construction materials and fencing systems. All of Han Plastics' products are made from 100% recycled material, offering exceptional longevity, weather resistance, and zero maintenance. Their eco-friendly manufacturing process significantly reduces carbon emissions, contributing to a cleaner, greener future.
SPR technology enables the repair of pipes, regardless of their material, concrete or fiberglass, in both horizontal and vertical orientations. This technology employs a plastic profile to form a new pipe within the current one, coil by coil. To boost reliability, a steel reinforcement is incorporated into the profile, selected according to project needs. Similarly, machinery, such as the specialized SPR pipeliner, is customized to manage various sizes, up to 5 meters in diameter.
Surrounding infrastructure. Because there's no digging involved, it greatly reduces disruption
This
to
innovative
roadways,
approach not only conserves energy, time, and costs, but also obviates the necessity for trench excavation for pipe installation.
Technology is highly durable, corrosion-resistant, and can extend the lifespan of the existing pipeline by several decades. Monorplan G by Siplast is a high-performance, single-ply roofing membrane made from flexible PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It is designed for both commercial and industrial applications, offering excellent durability and weather resistance. The membrane is reinforced with a high-quality polyester scrim, which enhances its strength and long-term performance. Monoplan G is ideal for use on flat and low-slope roofs, providing reliable protection against UV radiation, chemicals, and fire. It is also lightweight, easy to install, and highly flexible, making it suitable for various building types. The membrane's exceptional waterproofing capabilities ensure that it remains watertight, even in harsh environments. Alper insulation panels are a high-performance solution for new building projects, designed to enhance energy efficiency and comfort. These panels are made from expanded polystyrene, EPS, or similar materials, offering excellent thermal insulation that helps maintain indoor temperature stability. This reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling, leading to lower energy bills. Lightweight and easy to install, Alper panels are suitable for walls, roofs, and floors, making them versatile across various construction applications. They're also moisture-resistant and provide sound insulation, improving the overall comfort of a building. Moreover, Alper panels are eco-friendly. The materials are often recyclable, contributing to sustainable building practices. These panels are long-lasting and help meet modern energy efficiency standards while reducing a building's carbon footprint. Tekken Plastic Formwork is an innovative construction solution that offers a lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional formwork systems like timber or steel. It is made from high-quality, reusable plastic, designed to be easy to assemble and disassemble, providing an efficient and cost-effective method for concrete casting in construction projects. One of the primary advantages of Tekken Plastic Formwork is its durability. Unlike wooden formwork, it doesn't absorb moisture or rot, making it ideal for long-term use. The formwork is also resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike steel options, ensuring it retains its structural integrity over time. Tekken Formwork is modular, with interlocking panels that can be easily customized to fit different construction needs. This modular design makes it highly versatile for various applications, from walls and columns to slabs and beams. The lightweight nature of the material also makes it easier to handle, reducing labor costs and time on the job site. In terms of sustainability, Tekken Plastic Formwork is highly reusable, often up to 100 times or more, making it a more environmentally friendly option compared to traditional materials that may need frequent replacement. This significantly reduces construction waste. Another major benefit is its smooth finish on concrete surfaces, eliminating the need for extensive post-casting work, which can save both time and money. The formwork's strength and rigidity ensure precise, clean lines in the final concrete structure. In conclusion, Tekken Plastic Formwork provides a robust, economical, and sustainable alternative to traditional formwork, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and offering a more environmentally friendly option in the construction industry. Bloomer Lehman is a leading global player in timber construction, known for its innovation, precision, and sustainable building practices. Based in Switzerland, the company has over 150 years of experience, specializing in complex timber structures, freeform projects, and modular timber buildings. Bloomer Lehman integrates cutting-edge technology like CNC machining to craft intricate architectural forms, making them a go-to partner for both architects and engineers. They are particularly recognized for their expertise in parametric timber design, which allows for the creation of geometrically challenging and highly aesthetic wooden structures. Their projects range from public buildings, residential homes, and sports arenas to large-scale art installations. Moduleska Juplast is a modular step system designed for creating outdoor staircases with ease. Whether you're installing steps in a garden, on a slope, or for a terrace, Moduleska provides a simple, DIY solution. Each module is adjustable in height and can be stacked to create the perfect staircase, accommodating different step sizes and inclinations. Made from lightweight and durable materials, it's resistant to weather conditions like rain and frost. The interlocking design allows for quick assembly, with no need for heavy tools or complex foundations. It's perfect for both professional landscapers and DIY enthusiasts. With Moduleska Juplast, building outdoor steps has never been more efficient, providing a customizable, long-lasting, and attractive solution to elevate your space. This should comfortably fit within a 60-second voiceover. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.